Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prime Video. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search about Prime Video. Here you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Prime Video. If you find updates, then you will update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.